We started the cereal box challenge on February the 1st. Students collected boxes of cereal from February the 1st to the 15th. And then the cereal box domino came into effect. And so we thought that would be a great way for our students to be involved and to and just have some fun. This year is going to a simple gesture of High Point, and they have different food pantries around High Point that service our community.
This was really fun because we got to put it inside here. We got to collect it, and we're also helping the community also.
Yes, it was very fascinating. I was screaming. It was very fun, cool, and I hope we can do this next year.
We would love to challenge Southwest Middle School and Southwest High School, and we have found that there is a Guinness Book of World Records record of 7,001. So Southwest Middle and Southwest High, we challenge you next year to join us. Each of us would have to have 2,300 boxes of cereal. I know we can do it.